we all think about it. Some of us talk about it, while very few of us actually do it. I'm talking about the big project called the Wardrobe Evaluation Project. Doing a wardrobe evaluation is just not about adding or removing pieces of clothes from your wardrobe, but it is a project with an objective. Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Agarwal. I'm an internationally certified image consultant, etiquette coach, success coach, and a wardrobe consultant. I help individuals to create an impactful, impressive, credible, and confident image so that they can ace in their personal, social, and professional life. The Wardrobe Project, don't think about the size of the project. Instead, think about the benefits. How is this going to benefit you? This is going to tell you about what clothes work in your wardrobe and what don't. How well it meets your needs and preferences as per your existing roles, goals, professions, and values. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 top reasons that why you should be doing a wardrobe evaluation, and that too in a professional manner. Let's dive straight into it. Doing a wardrobe evaluation helps you to identify the clothes you need as per your current lifestyle. Your lifestyle, how you move around, where you move around, what kind of places you visit, thus the clothes in your wardrobe will all speak about it. Do you have the right kind of clothes for that particular interest? It also will help you discover your personal style. Personal style is about being you, being unique. What is just about you? The moment people see you, they recognize, yes, this is what the person is all about. It tells you about your likes and your dislikes. We straight away have a point. I don't like this cloth and I do like this. Thus, we can instantly remove the ones we do not like it. It helps you to make a quick decision in what you want to keep in the wardrobe and what you would like to discard from the wardrobe. It also saves your time, energy, and money. It saves your time because if you have a proper wardrobe evaluation done, you would know what is needed in the wardrobe and how much it is needed in the wardrobe. Thus, you will save your energy and time and money when you go out to shop. You will not waste time in looking at 10 things and then buying one. Because you know your personal style, you know your likes, your dislikes, you will straight away jump into the place where the clothes of your choice are available. Because at the end of it, also we prepare a shopping list. You will also avoid making mistakes for the future purchases. It will be also easier for other people to buy clothes for you because you know how to tell about your likes and your dislikes. The Wardrobe Evaluation Project is going to allow you to use your existing clothes in a better and innovative way. There are times when some clothes are just lying back and we do not know what to do about it. In wardrobe evaluation, we help you to discover the utility and the ways that particular garment can be used with your existing clothes. And if it cannot be, probably it is not the one which should be kept in your cupboard. Also, now wardrobe evaluation will help you to remove all the guilt that you have of not wearing those clothes or just keeping them in the wardrobe, which are unwanted clothes. At the end of it, you know your likes finally, so you would definitely do not want that clothing item in your wardrobe. You identify the clothes in your wardrobe. Are they particularly for the current roles and goals that you are in the situation in your life? For example, if you are a manager or if you are a CEO, do you have the clothes related to that profession in your wardrobe? It also helps you to create a healthy self-image of yours because at the end of the day, clothes enhance your appearance. The moment you wear those clothes, they make you feel good, look good, behave good, and get the responses from the people in a better way. Are you ready for it? Would you want to go for the wardrobe evaluation? Not taking a stress, but it is a process and a strategy. I'm going to talk to you about this strategy in the upcoming videos. If you do not want to miss this, like and subscribe this channel right now. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.